Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
So you mean that once the camera finishes recording, it can automatically output the footage directly from the camera when you connect it? This time, Insta360 has really delivered something special.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The camera we have here is the newly launched Insta360 X6. If you've been using the previous generation X5 or an even older model, the first thing you'll notice is just how much smaller and more compact the X6 has become. There's also a new custom button positioned underneath the logo. On the side, the power and recording buttons are generously sized, making them very easy to find and operate without even looking. Up front, we get a 2.32-inch OLED full-screen display. Even when you're outside under strong sunlight, the screen remains easy to see, whether you're controlling the camera or checking your footage. To make the body even more compact, Insta360 has integrated a pressure-sensitive sensor underneath the display. Simply press firmly on the entire screen to start or stop recording. This is especially convenient when you're wearing gloves, and it also saves space compared with having two additional physical buttons. With the battery and memory card installed, our testing shows that the X6 weighs just 196 grams. Thanks to its smaller and lighter design, the X6 is incredibly easy to carry around. You can literally slip it into your pocket and pull it out whenever you want to capture something, wherever you happen to be. But while the X6 has become smaller on the outside, its internal hardware has received some major upgrades, and naturally, the first thing we need to talk about is image quality. This generation of the X6 uses two custom Sony 1.1-inch square sensors. Compared with the previous X5, the amount of light captured by each pixel has increased by 300%. At the same time, the camera can now record panoramic video at up to 8K resolution and 50 frames per second. We took the X6 outside to capture some real-world samples. One of the biggest benefits of using a panoramic camera is that you don't have to worry too much about framing your shot before you press record. You can simply capture everything around you and decide on the composition later during post-production. As you can see, when shooting outdoors in good lighting, the 8K panoramic video delivers impressive sharpness. Whether you're zooming into the scene or pulling back, there's plenty of detail available. The camera straight out of the camera colors are also bright and clear, while it places extra emphasis on protecting faces from overexposure, creating a very pleasing overall image. The X6 also performs well in darker environments, thanks to its automatic night recording mode. With the increased light gathering capability of the equivalent 1-inch sensors, combined with the newly upgraded 4nm AI Samsung architecture, the camera can maintain a remarkably clean image even when you're shooting on city streets at night. For a panoramic camera, that level of low-light performance is genuinely impressive. That said, we did notice that the X6 adds a little extra sharpening to its in-camera output to maintain a crisp appearance. If you're looking for more flexibility during post-production, the X6 also supports native Dolby Vision with 10-bit color depth across all settings. There's also an iLog grayscale mode, which provides a wider color space and greater dynamic range, giving you more flexibility when it comes to color grading your footage later. Of course, image quality isn't the only area that the X6 has been upgraded. The camera isn't limited to stunning 8K panoramic video. It can also record flat video at up to 5K 60 FPS and 4K 128 FPS. However, for everyday use, we'd probably choose the newly upgraded Gimbal Mode 2.0 more often. With just a double tap on the screen, the camera can intelligently lock onto your subject. Then, simply lift the camera and start shooting to get remarkably stable footage. In other words, the X6 can instantly become a seriously capable vlog camera. Thanks to the new sensors, the X6 is also capable of capturing massive 120-megapixel panoramic photos. That gives you a huge amount of flexibility when it comes to cropping and recomposing your shots. Even when you zoom in on specific details during post-production, the image can still retain excellent clarity. So, essentially, when you head out, you only need to bring the X6 with you. It can handle panoramic shooting, gimbal-style footage, and wide-angle video all at once. In that sense, it really delivers 3 cameras in one, making it an extremely practical option. But the X6 isn't just about helping us capture great-looking footage, it also makes the entire filmmaking process much easier. Remember that scene we talked about at the very beginning of the video? Well, this is where the X6's newly introduced AI director comes in. Once you've finished recording everything throughout the day, simply connect the camera when you get home. The X6 can automatically analyze all the footage you've captured that day directly on the camera and create a complete daily vlog for you. Yes, the camera can essentially generate the finished footage by itself after you finish shooting. And the entire process happens locally on the camera without relying on cloud processing. For someone like me who doesn't want to spend hours editing after a long day of shooting, this is honestly a dream feature. If you want more control over your edits, the video app also comes with plenty of one-tap templates and AI-powered tools. Just choose a few clips, tap a couple of options, and you can quickly create a finished video. This makes the whole editing process much easier and significantly lowers the learning curve for anyone getting into panoramic cameras. And it's not just the software that has been improved. Insta360 has also made several important hardware upgrades. With the X6, the camera comes with 47 gigabytes of built-in storage, so even if you head out and realize you've forgotten your memory card, you can still start recording without worrying. The battery has also been upgraded, with capacity now reaching 2600 mAh. During our real-world testing, we recorded more than 1 hour of 8K panoramic video intermittently outdoors, and the X6 still had around 40% battery remaining. With fast charging or an additional battery on hand, the camera should comfortably handle the shooting requirements of an entire day. Connectivity has received an upgrade. The X6 now supports wireless Wi-Fi 6.0 as well as high-speed wired USB 3.0 transfer. This makes moving and reviewing your footage on your phone much smoother and more convenient. As for pricing, the base version of the Insta360 X6 starts at 3,999 yuan in China, which is roughly £439 in the UK and around $593 in the US. Overall, the Insta360 X6 manages to keep its body compact while taking image quality, AI functionality, and the overall hardware experience to another level. It genuinely brings 3 shooting experiences together in a single camera: panoramic, gimbal, and wide-angle. This is a flagship-level panoramic camera that's designed to give you the confidence to shoot freely while making it much easier to capture impressive-looking footage. But what do you think? Is an all-in-one panoramic camera like the Insta360 X6 something you'd actually use? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.